guys, welcome back to another video, and if you are new to this channel then do consider subscribing. Don't forget to press that bell down below this video. I bring content every week, once a week, all about Locs. Maybe fitness, maybe a vlog, but whatever it is, I'm sure you'll find something that you will like. So today in this video I want to talk about, do you think it's a good idea to tie knots in your locks? Now, I've just washed this hair. I washed it yesterday, and I was just thinking about, is it a good idea to tie locks in your knots? Because I found a lock with a knot. A lock with a knot. I found a lock with a knot, and it is thinning. Yes. So I thought I'd jump on here and show you exactly what I mean, which is this, guys. Let me show you this. Can you see? Let me get a bit closer, carefully. Right now, I feel like a broken record when I say this, but for those who don't know or are new to this channel, I used to have my hair bleached bronze. Which is this colour here at the ends. Sorry about my old subscribers who'll know this story like a million times. But just to recap, this colour here used to be sort of streaked through my locks, maybe on about 10, maybe 11 locks throughout my hair, and it caused a lot of breakage. So what I've been doing is cutting the dyed ends. So what I did was try to save a lot by putting a knot in it, but as you can see from this lock here, it's not worked. This is the knot here. Can you see that? Oh, you can see. And that is another knot. So I will tie, I can show you actually, because I'm gonna cut this one. So basically, what I know a lot of people do, they will tie a knot in a lock to try and save that particular lock. So they would kind of do this. You see? Tie locks, push it to the thinnest part of the lock, like so, and it would potentially save that lock. Now it does work because I've done it before. I'm going to try and find the one I didn't. Trying to find it. So this is the one. This one is the one which I did not. You see here, you can barely see it because that's how good it's been knotted. And if you can see right there. So what can I say basically? So if you have like a lock that is sort of thinning in the middle, and you don't want to cut it, you want to save it, you potentially put a knot in it and then you palm roll. But this one thinned out. Now I know why that happened. It's because I put some yucky hair in the lock to try and save it. So instead of cutting it, I tried to save it by putting some false hair around the lock to try and save it. But as it's grown, it's caused damage, because I presume that this yucky hair is become too heavy for the actual lock, and being as my hair was already damaged anyway because of the bleach, it's caused it to thin. So potentially the yucky hair has caused this to thin. Whether I knotted it or not, it's just not helping it. So I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to do it now, because I don't see the point in saving a lock just for length wise, because it will grow back eventually. So here we go. I'm going to I'm not normally nervous when it comes to cutting my locks, but because I'm trying to grow them, it's annoying, you know, to have to cut them. But let's just do it. Here we go. Yucky hair thinning lock is going to get a snip. You notice I'm doing it on a slant. So there you go. That is the extension hair there, trying to hold the lock together, and I've just cut it now. There. So I'll just palm roll that a little bit, and it's fine. It's absolutely fine. I would rather cut a damaged lock than trying to hold on to it. Does it make sense at all? Does not make sense. So what are your thoughts? Should you keep a thinning lock? Should you put a knot in the lock? Or should you just cut it? Let me know in the comments below. Well, you know what I would do? I would just cut it. So that's what I've done. And any locks with damaged ends, I just cut it. I don't even bother putting in locks. I don't even bother to put any knots in them anymore. I just cut them off. To me, it doesn't make sense to hold on to a damaged lock or a thinning lock. Just give it the old snip. So guys, thank you for watching my video. There is a lot more I wanted to say, but it's just not coming. So I would suggest that if you can put a knot in it and it's fine, then go ahead, because like I said, the one that I did put a knot in was fine. You know, it strengthened it. But I would just suggest to me personally would just cut it off, because it doesn't make sense. And just be careful, just be mindful of putting extension hair onto your locks to try and save it as well, because as your hair grows, it could potentially cause a bit of extra weight in the locks. And because my locks are not thick locks, it added too much tension on my hair, so it caused it to thin out. So me removing that hair would be better than it to keep thinning out. So bang goes the old lock. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you will be notified of my up and coming videos. And guys, come on, let me know what other topics you want me to discuss, what other videos you want me to do. What do you want to know? Do you want to know about I don't know. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see anyway, like to see me do. Would you like to see me do a challenge? Actually no, I'm not doing no challenges, so don't ask me to do any challenges, thank you very much. Actually I had a subscriber who wanted to see me do a clothes haul, which I found was exciting. Jody Cooking, Jody, you wanted me to do a clothes haul. I'll think about that. I think I would do a clothes haul, but I haven't got any clothes. I haven't got any new clothes to show, so I don't know. But that's something I will think of doing in the future. In the near future, very soon, I will do a clothes haul. Why not? Why not? That could work. So if you have anything else you would like me to do, guys, let me know in the comments. Come on, let's get cracking. So thank you for watching my video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.